CM will give a statement. We have had deliberations, and Chief Minister, we all have discussed, and Chief Minister will make a statement when he comes down.
Could you just give a broader guidelines?
I don't want to give any kind of. Two people should not be making a statement. Chief Minister will make a statement on whatever is. Now, Government of India has also issued specific guidelines, and as per what the Chief Minister and we have all discussed, is that Goa also needs to have something more strict than other things. So there were deliberations, and also there were inputs from the doctors and from Chief Secretary, everybody. So Chief Minister, myself, all of us have taken part in these deliberations, and I think what we have decided will be ideal. So let's CM up.
So how much concern there is for the state?
No, the concern is for everybody. We don't want any issue coming up in the state. We are a tourism state, so whatever steps need to be taken should be with respect to the safety of people. We need tourism also. Same time, we need to see that what steps we take keep people of Goa safe. So the official statement will be made by the chief.
Regarding school being
ना काय ना आयज आम्ही डिस्कशन आमचे जे झाले ते गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचे नवे गायडलाईन आयला नवे व्हायरस जे आम्ही ओमिक्रॉन म्हणून जे आयिल्ले आसा हेजे बद्दल आणि इंटरनॅशनल ट्रॅव्हलचे बद्दल त्या संबंधित आमची चर्चा झाली
गोंयान बीन कितें निर्बंध विकपाक शकता अशें आसा फुडें
तेच म्हणून सांगले की दोग जाणांनी स्टेटमेंट घेवप नासता तुका हांवें जे सांगले की इंटरनॅशनल ट्रॅव्हल भायले लोक जे भितर येता आता गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियान व्हेरी मेटिक्युलसली चार्ट दिल्ले आसा and त्या चार्टच्या अनुसार गोवा गव्हर्मेंट and in addition we are taking some steps which official statement will be given by the chief.
So health department will come up with a step up thing or something like that? No. Step up facility?
At this moment nothing is required. At this moment we need to take his precautions. That's why I said official, when CM comes down, we'll make an official statement of what we deliberated and what is the government stand on.
Sir, a lot of parties will be attending this month.
No, at this moment don't confuse what the tourism in the state of Goa with respect to what prevention we need to take for people coming in from high-risk countries and also people and international travelers coming into the state of Goa. So there's been a deliberation inside with all the officials, including Chief Secretary, doctors. So let us restrict this discussion to what the international traveler protocol should be. And Government of India has, I just said, a very meticulous and very clear-cut guideline what it should be, but what we are doing is we are going to also step it up to people who are from non-high risk international travelers. So that statement will be made by the Chief Minister, and that will be the official stand what will be implemented by the ministry. But it is better in these circumstances because there should be no confusion of any kind. People of Goa also should know what the state